Each year, thousands of Jamaican students from various schools and age groups look forward to participating in the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission JCDC National Festival of the Arts competitions in dance, drama, speech, and music. The wider population also eagerly anticipates events such as the annual Jamaica Festival Song, Jamaica Gospel Star, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen, and the Jamaica Culinary Arts competitions. These annual contests were created many decades ago by one of Jamaica's most revered cultural pioneers to showcase our rich heritage and keep it alive. That man is the late Hugh Nash.
Today, a grateful nation lays to rest another son of the Jamaican soil, a true patriot, a man who gave his all to the development of Jamaican culture. Hugh Nash, former Executive Director and Chairman of the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission.
Hugh Nash, often referred to as Mr. Festival, was instrumental in the development of Jamaica's art and cultural celebration. After Jamaica gained its independence in 1962, then Minister of Development and Welfare Edward Seaga invited Nash to develop a proposal to ensure that Jamaica's culture would play an integral role in the upliftment of the lives of all citizens, whether at home or abroad. The young and vibrant Hugh Nash did just that.
From the moment that the late former Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Honorable Edward Seaga, approached Hugh Nash to create a document that would ensure that culture would be integral to the upliftment of the lives of the working class, Hugh Nash's influence on national cultural development was embedded in our nation's history.
Mr. Nash's initial involvement led to the creation of the Festival Office in 1963. This was later changed to the Festival Commission in September 1968 with a mandate to encourage the annual Independence Anniversary celebrations throughout the island, as well as to foster the development of local talent. In 1980, the entity's mandate was expanded and its name again changed to the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission JCDC, with Mr. Nash appointed the first executive director. In his more than 5 decades-long career, Hugh Nash skillfully pioneered the festival of activities that Jamaicans at home and abroad now enjoy during the island's emancipation and independence period. Mr. Nash was also involved in the organization of Things Jamaica, which gave local craftsmen, women, and artisans support for development, trade, and export. He also helped to establish the Jamaica National Heritage Trust, JNHT, which succeeded the National Trust Commission and has been a critical partner of the JCDC in the development of Jamaica's cultural industry. Hugh Nash, Mr. Festival, died on July 24, 2021 at the age of 90. For his outstanding life and work in positioning Jamaica's festival movement and culture at the center of national development, a memorial service was held in his honor on August 19.
I'm speaking to each and every one here. Think hard on how you're going to do that much more to carry on the legacy of Edward Seaga and Hugh Nash, and to ensure that as they pass, we don't water down what we have as a culture.